My Vita spa has stopped working. The control panel won't do much. If I press program, it will display the time for a brief second, then goes blank. Is the control panel the issue?
Welcome to JustAnswer. Yes, this is a topside control issue most likely. These controls are susceptible to moisture. You can turn off power, disconnect the topside from the control board, remove the topside, and use a hairdryer to blow warm air in from the bottom. This will usually resolve any moisture issues. Reconnect and power up.
We are trying to get the controller out now to try that. Is it definitely the controller and not something to do with the heat?
There is really no way to know until the pumps are working. If you unplug the controller from the main control board, then turn the power back on to the spa, you should get the spa to power up into limp mode. If the controller is the issue, the spa will generally run and heat the spa up to 100 degrees. There well could be other things wrong, but doing this step is a good start. If you have a multimeter/voltmeter and would like to do some troubleshooting after this test, I can help you with that also.
I dried it with a hair dryer. Still same results. We do have a multimeter. Believe it or not, my boyfriend and I are both electronic technicians, but I don't know much about hot tubs. We bought it used 6 months ago.
Is your spa 120V or 240V? Have you tried powering up the spa without the topside plugged in? Check all fuses for continuity on the control board. Make certain you have the correct voltage coming into the spa control board. We will continue after you try these.
The pumps have not kicked on this whole time with or without the controller hooked up. The water is down to about 40 degrees. We checked 3 fuses for continuity. They were all good. The voltage coming in was 247-ish.
If the controller is plugged in, the main board will not try to kick on the pumps if the topside is bad and plugged in. If the topside is unplugged from the main board, and the power is turned off, then turned back on, without the topside plugged in, the spa should kick on and begin heating with the pump in circulation mode. It will take approximately 6 minutes after the power is restored to begin the pump and heating. Have you tried this sequence?
We just tried this sequence. After 7 or 8 minutes, the pumps still have not kicked on. The controller is still unplugged.
Well, that is not a good sign. You have 240 coming into the controls, and usually, if the board is good, the spa should run without the topside plugged in. I think your main control may be bad, unless you think the spa pump may be bad. The problem is, for troubleshooting you have the possibility of not only a bad board, but maybe a bad topside. With the tub still powered up, and the topside unplugged, you will need to check to see if the pump is getting power. Has the spa worked previously and just stopped? Or are you trying to get it working for the first time? The topside, if going blank, is most likely going to need replaced anyway, and it will be easier to troubleshoot the rest of the issues with the topside working. There is a chance that your model does not do the limp mode function without the topside plugged in. Sorry this is so long, but I think at this point, the first step would be to replace the topside control, then go from there.
I have 2 pumps. One was replaced the day before I bought the hot tub 6 months ago, so I doubt it's both pumps. We have had it hooked up and running since I bought it without stopping, other than the power failure for 2 days during Hurricane Sandy. It just stopped working sometime in the last few days. I guess it's try the controller. Thanks.
The power outage and subsequent power restoring possibly may have had some surges, and as you know, electronics don't like those. So knowing this, I would lean more towards topside failure.
The power failure was weeks ago, but there may have been another surge recently. Or maybe the topside controller has just failed. The hot tub is 9 years old now. It was probably in use at least 6 years out of the 9. Thank you for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.